In 2023, researchers at Stanford University published a landmark study in the journal Nature. They had tracked healthy adults over 50, and they found something that most people never heard about. 1 in 5 adults over 50 has at least one organ aging significantly faster than the rest of their body. Not from disease, not from obvious neglect, from the invisible, daily accumulation of biological signals that most people never think about. A rapidly aging heart was linked to a 2.5 times higher risk of heart failure. But here is what those headlines missed. And it is the most important part of the entire study. Your biological age is not fixed. You can change it. And the most powerful tools for doing so are not complicated. They are not expensive. They are not in a clinic. They are in your kitchen. Welcome to Mind Body Files. Today we are decoding the biology of cellular aging after 50 and giving you a 7-day food protocol that directly targets the root causes of biological age acceleration. You have 2 ages: your chronological age, the number of years since you were born, and your biological age, the actual condition of your cells, your organ, and your repair systems. These 2 numbers are not the same. In 2023, scientists updated a framework published in the journal Cell, identifying what are now called the 12 hallmarks of aging. Here is the remarkable part. Food directly influences every single one of these hallmarks. The 7-day protocol you are about to receive is built to target them, 1 day at a time. Our first move is not about what you eat. It is about when. Today we begin a simple 12-hour eating window. If you finish your last meal at 7 in the evening, you do not eat again until 7 the following morning. This window activates a process called autophagy, the cellular cleanup system we decoded in our zombie cells episode. When you stop eating for 12 hours, insulin drops. And when insulin drops, autophagy activates. Your cells begin identifying damaged proteins, worn-out mitochondria, and cellular debris, breaking them down and recycling them. This directly targets the hallmark of disabled macroautophagy, one of the 12 root causes of biological aging. Water only during the fasting window. Begin tonight. Day 2 targets mitochondrial dysfunction. Your mitochondria are the energy factories inside every cell. After 50, research shows we lose 30 to 50% of functional mitochondria. The result is the fatigue, slower recovery, and reduced cellular energy that most people attribute simply to age. Today, add pomegranates, raspberries, or walnuts to one meal. These foods contain compounds called ellagianins. When gut bacteria process ellagitinins, they produce a molecule called urolithin A. Urolithin A triggers mitophagy, the targeted removal of faulty mitochondria. The damaged ones are cleared. The healthy ones work more efficiently. Day 3 uses one of the most studied compounds in cellular protection research. It is called sulforaphane, and the richest source is broccoli sprouts. Sulforaphane activates something called the NRF2 pathway, the master regulator of your body's antioxidant and cellular defense systems. When NRF2 activates, it switches on over 200 genes that protect your cells from DNA damage and inflammation. This directly targets the hallmark of genomic instability, the DNA damage accumulation that accelerates biological aging. Half a cup of raw broccoli sprouts added to a salad or blended into a smoothie. Do not cook them. Do not microwave them. Day 4 targets your cardiovascular system and the cellular communication pathways. The tool is dark leafy greens, spinach, arugula, or rocket. These greens are loaded with dietary nitrates. When you eat them, bacteria naturally present in your mouth convert those nitrates into nitrite, which your body then converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide tells your blood vessels to relax and dilate. Improved blood flow, lower blood pressure, better oxygen delivery to every organ and tissue. Studies have shown that eating spinach directly improves arterial stiffness and blood pressure. In adults over 50, 1 cup of dark leafy greens with 1 meal today. One critical note: avoid antibacterial mouthwash after eating these greens. Day 5 targets one of the most underappreciated hallmarks of biological aging, dysbiosis, the imbalance of your gut microbiome. Your gut houses trillions of bacteria that regulate inflammation, immunity, metabolism, and even mood. After 50, microbiome diversity naturally declines, and the compounds that restore it are simpler than most people realize. Today, add 1 serving of legumes to a meal: lentils, chickpeas, or black beans. Legumes are rich in fiber and resistant starch, the primary fuel for your beneficial gut bacteria. When gut bacteria ferment this fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids. Short-chain fatty acids reduce systemic inflammation, heal the gut lining, and improve metabolic function. This is why legumes are a consistent staple across every blue zone population studied, the communities around the world with the highest rates of healthy longevity. Day 6 targets oxidative stress, one of the primary accelerators of biological aging. Think of oxidative stress as rust building up at the cellular level. Free radicals damage your cell membranes, your DNA, and the proteins your cells depend on. Today, drink 3 to 4 cups of brewed green tea throughout the day. Green tea contains a catechin called EGCG, epigallocatechigallate. As an antioxidant, it neutralizes free radicals before they damage DNA and cell membranes. Spread across the day for a steady stream of cellular protection. 3 to 4 cups, brewed, not instant, not bottled. On day 7, we ensure your body has the raw materials it needs to repair what has been cleaned and renewed across the previous 6 days. The focus is protein quality and cellular membrane integrity. Start day 7 with high-quality eggs. Eggs provide 2 critical cellular repair nutrients. First, complete protein. Every cellular repair process, every enzyme, every structural element is built from amino acids. Adequate protein ensures your body has the building blocks to execute the repair. Second, choline. Choline is a structural component of cell membranes. Healthy, flexible membranes are what allow cells to communicate, directly targeting the hallmark of altered intercellular communication. 2 to 3 eggs at breakfast. 7 days, 7 foods. 7 biological mechanisms directly addressed. None of them require a prescription. None of them require a clinic. All of them are available at any grocery store. Biology is forgiving. The research consistently shows that biological aging markers respond to targeted nutritional inputs, often within days to weeks. Your biological age is not a sentence, it is a signal. Your chronological age will keep climbing, but your biological age, the true age of your cells, is not locked to that number. The 12 hallmarks of aging are not inevitable destinations. They are biological conditions that respond to biological inputs. Day 1 started your cellular cleanup. Day 2 fueled your mitochondria. Day 3 activated your defense systems. Day 4 opened your blood vessels. Day 5 fed your microbiome. Day 6 protected your brain. Day 7 provided the building blocks for repair. 7 small, precise inputs. Your body already knows how to respond to them. Every food in this protocol connects to a system file. If this file gave you clarity, subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week we decode one more signal your body is sending. Comment below. Which day are you starting with? I will see you in the next file.